N8n Mastery course. Over the next videos, I'm going to show you how to go from what is a webhook to building autonomous AI agents that can run entire departments. What if you could replicate yourself? Imagine having an assistant that works 24/7, never sleeps, makes zero mistakes, and costs almost nothing. Most people think building something like this requires a computer science degree. They think it's for tech geniuses only. They are wrong. We are entering a new era where the barrier between having an idea and building a system has completely vanished. Whether you are a small business owner drowning in lead follow ups, a parent trying to manage a chaotic family schedule, or a developer tired of writing the same glue code over and over, this journey is for you. In this course, we don't care about AI just because it's a buzzword. We care about outcomes, more customers, better fulfillment, and lower costs. Automation isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering citizen developers, non technical people who can now solve their own problems without waiting for an IT department. This is the low code philosophy. While no code tools are simple but often limited, and hard coding is powerful but slow, low code is the middle ground. It gives you the speed of visual drag and drop with the limitless power of code when you need it. You've probably heard of Zapier or Make. They are great, but n8n is different. It's often called the GOAT, greatest of all time, of automation for three reasons: unlimited scaling, while other tools charge you for every single task, which gets expensive fast. N8n focuses on executions. You can run a 50-step workflow for the same price as a two-step one. Data sovereignty, you can self-host N8n. This means your sensitive data stays on your servers, not in the cloud of a third-party vendor. The code node. If a pre-built integration doesn't exist, you don't hit a wall. You can drop in a small snippet of JavaScript or Python and talk to any API on the planet. I've structured this journey to be your complete automation university. Here's a glimpse of what we're building: foundations. We'll set up your environment securely so you have a professional grade lab. The data blueprint, you'll learn the data flow principle: input, transform, and output. This is the secret language of every automation on earth: AI agents. We aren't just sending emails, we're building agents with memory that can reason over your documents and solve complex problems. Real solutions, from abandoned cart recovery for e commerce to a second brain Discord bot that organizes your life. We are solving real problems. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to automate their entire business on day one. That's like trying to deadlift 500 pounds on your first day at the gym. We're going to start small. We're going to get quick wins. By the end of this series, you won't just know how to use a tool, you'll have a future proof skill set essential for the next decade of work. You will be the person who builds the systems while others are still stuck doing manual entry. I have one challenge for you: don't just watch, build. Every video is designed for you to follow along. Are you ready to reclaim your time and join the new era of automation? I'll see you in video 2, where we choose your infrastructure and get your first N8n instance live. Click here to continue the journey.